Hey everybody, welcome to another affiliate marketing training. I'm especially excited about today's video because I'm going to address one of the biggest problems with the way people are teaching and doing affiliate marketing with Clickbank and other networks. Look, there are a lot of videos out there that include great strategies for beginners. They're designed to lower the barrier of entry so you don't feel like you need a website, upfront investment, or even an email list. And that's fine because sometimes we need to learn things step by step. I even have some videos on this channel like that. But I'd be lying to you if I told you you can build a long-term sustainable business building an empire like the gurus you see online just by these methods. No, to build a real business that can potentially replace your 9 to 5, you need to take your strategies up a notch, build real assets, and recognize that growing an online business takes patience. But don't worry, because while the road isn't easy, it's pretty simple to understand, and I can break it down for you in a matter of minutes. So watch until the end of this video because I'm about to show you how to use Clickbank the right way and how you can turn this into a full-time business. And before I dive into today's content, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave your thoughts in the comments section below. I look at my comments after each video and use those to come up with ideas for future videos. Plus, it's totally free to subscribe and it ensures you see the latest videos that I make as soon as they drop. Okay, let's dive in and talk about building a sustainable long-term business. Step one, you need to pick a niche with multiple products that you can promote. I see this all the time. People find one product they really like on Clickbank they think they can promote, so they go all in on that one product. The problem is that's the wrong way to use Clickbank. What you want to do is pick a niche that has many products you can promote that stack on each other. This switch from product focus to niche focus helps you better understand and serve your customers. Marketing becomes easier when you know your customer and are involved daily in the niches they care about. Here are the 3 main niches that I like to stick with: health, wealth, and relationships. Now, you can drill down from these niches to make yourself truly unique and stand out, but you want to stay in these categories because not only are they the number of products in these niches, but people are willing to spend a lot of money to have better health, more wealth, and stronger relationships. Next step is never link directly to Clickbank. Let's say you're posting reviews or videos on YouTube, or maybe you're engaging with people in Facebook groups or Reddit threads. What most marketers do when they're just getting started is they send people directly to Clickbank's sales page for the product they're promoting. And look, that's fine if you're just getting started and this is new to you. But the right way to do this long term is to send people to an opt-in page where you can build your email list. The reason this works is because often Clickbank's sales page or the sales video for whatever product you're selling will often contain some really helpful information that people would want to know. I was actually just watching the sales video from one of their products the other day and learned a ton about the benefits of fasting for losing weight. So before you let them access that information, you want to collect their email address first from what we call an opt-in or a landing page. This way, instead of getting just one chance to promote just one product, you have their information on file and you can send them regular emails giving them new content, encouraging them to buy the product, or even recommending something different that they might like. Now, here's an example of a professionally designed landing page. It has a catchy title, a place for someone's email address, and a bright blue button, one you can't miss, asking the visitor to take action. It helps that this page is also promoting a free report. This is called a lead magnet, and it's one of the most effective ways to gather email addresses. After you've collected someone's email address, it's important to email your list regularly. Look, I can tell you firsthand that the most important asset on your online business is your email list. The truth is, as long as I have an email list, I know I'll be okay. Having a social media following is great, but I'd honestly rather have an email list. Why? Because it's one of the things you truly own in your business. It's not subject to algorithm changes or the whims of the tech giants that created them. It's 100% yours. And by the way, That's why I recommend having multiple products to promote. If you're going to email your list regularly, it would be smart to have more than one product that you're sharing with them so they don't get sick of hearing about the same thing over and over again. Not only that, but one product may not be the right fit for your customers. They may come to you and say, hey, I really want to lose weight, but I don't want to cut carbs. Do you have any other recommendations? When you have a host of products in your back pocket, you'll be able to service everyone individually, and that's how to build a true empire online. So, if you've been following along, let me summarize this video as best as I can. The wrong way to do ClickBank is to basically spam YouTube or Facebook groups with your affiliate link. The right way to do ClickBank, and really any affiliate marketing, is to have a handful of products to promote, grow an email list, and promote your products regularly to your list. Now, I hope this helps in your way of thinking. If you'd like more information on how to grow an email list, how to find the best products to promote, and what to send to your list, hit the subscribe button to this channel because, again, I regularly release new videos that dive deep into how you can build a long-term and sustainable affiliate marketing business from scratch. And as always, thank you for watching today's training, and I'll see you next time.